Very good morning and warm welcome to my dear children. Today's lesson is deleted by government, but we'll take this lesson for reading. Lesson number 10, Be a Craftsman. In this, we are going to learn about marbling. Page number 21, lesson number 10, Be a Craftsman. Marbling. Many times you see fancy sheets of paper with beautiful designs or prints. Would you like to prepare your own fancy sheets of paper? Try the following idea. But remember to ask for your parents' permission and help to do it. You may also try this in your classroom with the help of your teacher. What you need? You need a plastic bucket or a tub, water, kerosene or turpentine. Turpentine means a clear liquid with a strong smell. Plain sheets of white or colored drawing paper. Oil paints can be blue color, red color, yellow color, green color, etc. A paint brush, clips, etc. Now, what is the procedure that you have to follow? Means what you do. First, fill 3/4 of the bucket or tub with water. Second, add kerosene or turpentine to the paints that you have in separate tins. This will make the paints thinner. Do it with the help of an adult. Third, add a few drops of paints to the water using the paint brush. Stir the water gently with the brush. You will see the paints, that is color, twirling. It means moving round and round around in water. Now put the plain drawing paper sheet on the colored surface of water and press it lightly. Lift the sheet of paper carefully. You will see colorful shapes on the sheet. Use a clip to lift the sheet to avoid staining. Staining means leaving a mark that is difficult to remove. Now keep the sheet aside for a few moments to let it dry. You can see or you can use your fancy paper sheets to make envelopes, greeting cards, or to make paper craft articles. You must have noticed that the oil paints dissolve, means mix with a liquid and become part of it, in turpentine or kerosene, but not in water. They float on water. That is why we can use this technique to create fancy shapes on paper. Marble is a kind of hard stone which is usually white with the dark veins. Veins means narrow strips of different color in some types of stones. Inside, marble can be polished very well. This process is called marbling because the patterns created in this process look like the patterns in marble. In this lesson, we have seen how to make different patterns paper, and that patterns appear to us like a pattern inside the marble. And this process of making veins inside the marble paper is called marbling. So this was just for a reading. Hope this activity is clear to you. So there is no need for you to do any homework related to this lesson, as this lesson is removed from your portion. We have taken reading today. Hope you have enjoyed this reading.